Hello children, hope you all are safe. I am Subhashri madam. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson, that is he, she, I, you, it from your grammar book. Okay, that is lesson 6, he, she, I, you, it. So before starting about this verse, let me remind you about the earlier chapter, that is your naming words. Hope you all know about the naming word. Then what is naming word? Now the words that are used to name a person, place, animal or thing. But here what we will know, that these words, they are used in place of a noun. Why these words are used in place of a noun? Now sometimes instead of using the same naming word over and over again, we use words like he, she, I, you, it in place of the naming words. So every time we cannot use the same word repeatedly. So for that we use these words. Let us know. See, he, she, I, you, it. So these all words, they are known as pronouns. Now you will ask, what is pronoun? Now pronouns are the words used in place of nouns, or you can say noun naming words. The words that we use in place of a noun, that is known as pronouns. Clear? And these are not names. These are not names. They are used in place of names. Instead of some names, these words are used. Okay? Now let's know about the use of these words. Where to use these all words? He. Now is used for males. Males mean boy or man. Okay? All the male character. You have read about that masculine and feminine, isn't it? So those are male and female. So male, that is boy or man. It may be your father, brother, grandfather, uncle, those. Let's see the example. Tom learns music. Tom sings well. So first we have to identify the nouns. Okay, then only you can use that word in place of a noun. Okay, first Tom and here also Tom. So both Tom has been repeated. So here what we know, that instead of using the same naming word over and over again, we are using these all words. So first sentence will remain the same, that is Tom learns music. Instead of Tom we have used here he. He sings well. Clear? Then come about she is used for females. So she is used for females, that is girl or woman. Your mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, those all female character. And it is used for one only, in one girl or woman. Rita works in a hospital. Rita is a nurse. So Rita and Rita, you have to find out first the naming word. So Rita has been repeated. So first will remain the same, that is Rita works in a hospital. She is a nurse. Okay. Then come it. It is used for non-living things and animals. It is used in place of a non-living things or animals. Okay. The clock tells us the time. The clock has two hands. So here also the clock, here also the clock. So clock is the naming word. The clock tells us the time and the clock has two hands. So first sentence will remain the same. In place of the clock, it has been used. It has two hands. Clear? Then come about the use of I. Is used for one person. I is used in place of one person only. Okay, it may be a boy, girl, both, not only boy or girl, both. In both the cases we can use I, man and woman also, and refers to the person who is speaking, the person who is speaking about oneself. Okay, in that case we use I. Of your own, if you are speaking for your own, about yourself, then only we use I. Suppose here given, my name is Kamal. Kamal is in class 3. That means you have already mentioned here my name. That means you are saying that your name is Kamal. My name is Kamal. Instead of Kamal, we have used I am in class 3. Clear? Hope you are all clear about what I am saying. Then come about the use of you. You is used for one person and also for more than one person. So you is a word that is used to indicate to one person as well as more than one person also. Okay. It is used for the person or persons that is spoken to whom we are speaking. Okay. Suppose you are a good boy. Good boy means indicating to one person. So here also we can use you. You are good boys, indicating to more than one person. So here also we can use you. Clear? Now see, here are some examples given. I have given some different examples to make you little bit more clear. You can go through this example. Rishi is a little boy. Rishi studies in class 1. So Rishi is the name of a boy. So we have used here he. Sahin is my friend. Sahin has a pet goldfish. So Sahin is the name of a girl. So here she has been used. The cap is red in color. There is a yellow star on the cap. The cap. So here in place of the cap it has been used. You have to know about this, the use of these words. Okay, go through these examples. An exercise portion we will do it. Exercise portion I am just reading out the answers, and the answer I will give it written in the WhatsApp group. You just check it. Circle the correct option for the following sentences. Now you have to circle the correct option for this following sentences. Miss Asa Sharma teaches us English. So Miss Asa Sharma is the name of a woman or girl. Okay. So she is a good teacher. Do not keep your bag on the floor. Bag, it will get dirty. The policeman caught the thief. He won a medal for it. Policeman has been given. So that's why he is used. My uncle is a doctor. He is very famous. I have an old computer. It has stopped working. Okay. Then B. Bit number B we will not do it. So put a cross mark. Fill in the blanks with he, she, I, you or it. This is Rini. She is my sister. Tom is a strong boy. He can lift heavy boxes. My name is Ananya. I study in Daffodil School. Raghav bought a new bicycle. It is blue and silver. Hello, Kunal. Are you going to the park? Then look at the underlined naming words in the box given. After each sentence, write he, she, I, you or it. That's same. Look at Tom. He is eating an apple. My sister is wearing a new dress. She is going for a party. My uncle is a lawyer. He lives in Mumbai. I bought a new table. It is made of wood. Seema is a hockey player. She is very famous. Clear? Hope you all are clear. I will send the exercise portion in the WhatsApp group. You just check it and you write it in the book itself. Okay. Here you have to circle it and do accordingly whatever the instruction has been given. Write it carefully, properly and in a good handwriting. Okay. Till then, stay safe and stay at your home.